I'm Jim Beck. Thank you for joining me today for today's session of the Vann Sheridan Video Legal Pad. I'll be talking about rights of first refusal. Oftentimes clients will contact us seeking some protection with regard to their shares in their small corporation, closely held corporation, or LLC. A right of first refusal is basically an option to purchase. It's very common in closely held companies where there are few owners and these owners are very involved with the business. It protects them in the event that one of the other shareholders wants to be bought out, wants to transfer their shares, or in the event of an involuntary transfer such as death. And it basically provides guidelines for how transfers of these shares will take place. The best way to establish a right of first refusal is through a buy-sell agreement. And what that is an agreement setting forth triggering events for when shares have to be transferred, and setting forth procedures for how transfers will occur, voluntary or involuntary for that matter. Whereas an operating agreement or a corporation's bylaws govern the operation of the business, a buy-sell agreement would just govern future transfers of shares. The right of first refusal is a very common technique used to give shareholders protection. It basically protects these shareholders from becoming business partners with individuals that they don't know or don't really want to go into business with for whatever reason. Many business owners have carefully selected their business partners and want to make sure that there's a good continuity with the business and they maintain control over the operation of the company. And so it's a valuable tool that we recommend most small businesses to have in order to make sure things continue to run smoothly despite the fact that a key member of the company needs to leave for whatever reason. The right of first refusal can have various terms based on the preferences of the owners, how long they should have to make the purchase once someone leaves the company. The value of the company can be determined ahead of time, so there's less negotiating down the road. And it provides protection for, let's say, the shareholder who dies. It provides protection for his family in that they already know how they're going to get bought out and be protected so that they're dealing with this company when they need to be dealing with other matters regarding the estate of the deceased. So if you have any questions or need assistance with the right of first refusal, please contact Vann Sheridan and we'll be happy to help.